Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to English Mania. Hello guys, how are you all? How are you doing in this big problem in the world? Okay, I'm Jihad from English Mania, the host of Spoken. So our today's topic is the recent problem in the world. I mean the coronavirus COVID-19. So we are all in the country fighting with this coronavirus. Well, this virus is a group of virus that spreads through the touch, air. It gets into your body by your nose or mouth. Well, it was first invented in 1916. Well, but now the virus is different from that type of virus. It's rarely close to SARS. But this virus is very much dangerous. Well, already the death number of this virus has crossed 80,000. Can you believe? It's just impossible. No other virus or no other disease could cross this number. It's just impossible. But coronavirus made it possible. Well, it's not only a virus for the human, it also attacks the body of many animals like chicken or dogs or something else. But when it attacks a body of an animal, it doesn't affect so much. But when it's in the human body, when you will get this virus, when you will get that you are attacked, your respiratory system will be 50% exploited. Your lung will be 50% spoiled. You just can't believe what's happening in this world. So we have to keep ourselves away from this virus. There is no antidote for this virus, so we can't give any vaccine for this virus, but we can keep ourselves away from the virus by washing our hands. We have to wash our hands after coughing or after touching our mouth or nose. We should use mask as soon as possible, as much as possible. Never go out without mask. Then we should wash our hands till 20 seconds. The World Health Organization said that washing hands more than 20 seconds saves us from viruses. So wash hands more than 20 seconds and keep distance between you and your friend, your family. This is called quarantine, the isolation. This will help us to protect this virus. So keep distance, wash hands, and always try to stay home. This virus spreads from a person to another, so never try to meet anyone who is unknown to you or who is come from out. Just having phrased, you can meet him. So always try to be safe. Okay friends, hope this video was helpful for you, all about the coronavirus, and you could see some vocabularies in this section and also some pronunciation. This will help you to increase your vocabulary and pronunciation. And if you like this video, if this was helpful to you, Please give a thumbs up and comment what would like to you say and share us. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next video. Hope I'll get a new topic for you. Okay friends, tada, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, stay home, stay safe.